Hello loves, today I will be sharing these FlameBrite lights and how I decorated my front porch for spring. I recently got these FlameBrite lights and they have transformed my front yard into a beautiful landscape. To me, they have upgraded the beauty of my yard. They are easy to assemble. You take the stake and place it in the light fixture and voila. It is as simple as that. No wiring. They are solar lights, which I absolutely love. So it saves you on your power bill. And no constant battery installation to upkeep. Isn't that wonderful? Simply stake in the ground in sunlight and the solar scape will do all the work. Pretty much takes about 5 minutes to set up and you can enjoy your beautiful landscape. They are weather resistant and will work in the rain. These lights will be great for your front yard, a patio, a garden, and or a walkway. If you want to transform your outdoor living space, get FlameBrite today. Click the link below to get 15% off your very own FlameBrite. You will absolutely love them. So now I'm going to get started on my front porch. Right now I am planting some plants to use on my front porch. Just getting the pots ready. This I have not done in about 5 years and I truly enjoyed every moment of this. Getting my hands dirty. Next, I'm sharing with you my new additions to my front porch. These topiaries that we picked up from at home. I love the tallness of these topiaries. They're so beautiful. And I do not have to maintain them. That's the best part. These are artificial and they light up. I think they are amazing. Right now I'm going to add some wreaths to my double doors. Now if you've been following me, you know I hit the jackpot last year on spring decor when Ross opened back up. I got these wreaths for 99 cents each. Next, I am going to add some bows. I am still working on my bow game, y'all. Haven't quite mastered it, but I'm gonna master it this year. That's one of my goals. But I am going to add these striped black and white and this lime green color that I am loving at the moment to these wreaths. And right here, I'm just fishtailing the ends. And this is a close-up view of those wreaths. Or should I say swags. Next, I'm going to add my mats to this front porch. This mat here I picked up from Amazon. I love the black and white of it. I had to have this mat. And I'm going to give it a layered look by placing another mat on top. And I had to have this mat also. And this mat says hide packages from husband, even though he can see it because we do have a Ring doorbell. Then I'm going to place my plants here. I know eventually I'm going to have to place this hydrangea, or both of these hydrangeas, in the ground. But for now I want them on my porch. And I'm going to keep it very simple. I love this. I've already had views and neighbors stop by saying how much they love this front porch. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you're here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell so you will be notified of all the videos I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop for your home essentials. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you all so much, and I consider myself blessed that you are a part of the blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed, beautiful day, and be safe.